So one of the first campers we're going to show you is this Wolf Creek Rome right here, and the reason it stood out to us, it was you know, Northwood Manufacturing makes Arcticfox, which is what we have. Northwood also makes this Wolf Creek, which is another line of their campers. So Trina's inside. We're going to give you a little tour of it. Just to note, even though it's not an Arcticfox, it has the Northwood exclusive Fox landing on it because it is basically a sister company to Arcticfox. So it also has the same Fox landing that we have.
So Justin's probably already told you, but this is the Wolf Creek, and it's also manufactured by Northwood, which is the same that our Arcticfox came through, or came with. It has a wet bath in it. Wet bath, if you don't know, basically means that everything is all in one. It's all protected right here. When you get in it and take your shower, basically you wipe everything down for moisture reasons. It's got a cute little latch here. You can latch the door shut as you're traveling. So this particular one, the freshwater tank is 33 gallons, the gray tank is 19 gallons, and the black tank is 20 gallons. This one has a dry weight of 2,318 pounds, and its total length is 16 feet 2 inches. And it requires a 3/4 ton truck and a 6.5 foot bed. But it's your typical layout. You got a microwave, little pantry storage. I don't want to hit you. Little pantry storage here. Little this one does not have a stove, but it has the range part.
Those brand new cabinets are a little harder to open, aren't they?
Yeah. Ours are probably wearing out a little bit. This one's got one sink, big round sink right here. Got all your controls, more storage, refrigerator, storage underneath. Obviously this right here is where some of your electrical things happen, but this one does have a little
looks like the 2025's put a little basket in there so you can use it as storage as well.
Yeah.
Whereas ours just goes straight to business.
Now, our old truck bed camper that we had, which was a 1997 before we got our Arcticfox, had these little same side pass-throughs, but it's got an opening here. And then, of course, you got your bed. You got your bed with plenty of storage around the bed.
Which is typical for Northwood to have all that massive storage up in the bed space.
But before we leave out of it, I just want you to see the ceiling height. So I'll use my arms as a measure just so you can see. I'm 5'7", so I have room. Justin is
5'11".
5'11". Now the question is, what happens when you sit up in the bed?
You hitting the head?
I'm hitting head. I can't sit straight up.
I think that's just one of the main differences between an Arcticfox and a Wolf Creek is
I can if I take my sunglasses off.
the ceiling height is a little bit higher in the Arcticfox because it has that arched dome ceiling, which allows for like 4 more inches in the center.
Yeah.
I think that's the main difference.
TV. You got a mounted TV here. Storage. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 storage compartments here, and you could get you some baskets or something and use this for storage as well. So this is the Wolf Creek.
And if you want to know the price at D&H, they got them laid out for you right here.